Do you have tight calves? Do you get a bunch of tension in the back of your leg after walking, running, or even just trying to squat? And you stretch them as much as you can, yet they still feel tight. What if I told you that it wasn't a stretching problem? Hi, I'm Zach Couples, the physical therapist at Elevate Sports Performance and Healthcare, and I want to show you one move that I think can help you with those calves. All you'll need is a bar and a block or a book. Now, if you don't have a barbell at home, you can simply put your hands in the kitchen sink. That's why I call this move the sink squat. So hands in the sink, and take a book, a big one that you don't like. You're going to put your heels on that book. And what you're going to do to improve your calf mobility is drop down into a squat. But I'm going to have you do it in a specific way. You're going to hang onto the sink for dear life, and what you want to do is a trust fall. So you want to lean your whole body back, making sure it's not just your upper body and it's not just your hips. Whole body falls back. From here, you're going to tuck your hips. What you want to do is I would stick your rear out and then curl your hips underneath you, just like so. You can think about taking your butt flap and squishing your butt flap to your thigh, just like that. Once you're there, keep weight on your heels, push your knees forward, keeping that tuck, squat about a quarter to halfway down. If you get it right, you're going to feel your quads and the back of your legs working. If you feel knee discomfort, you want to make sure you get a little bit more weight on your heels. Once you're there, to work the abdominal muscles, you want to use breathing. You're going to go silently in through the nose, get as much air out as you possibly can, and repeat the process for anywhere from 3 to 6 breaths. Here's what it'll look like. So, trust fall, hip tuck. I got my heels, I'm going to squat down, let's kick out some breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Try that out, see how your calves feel after doing about 3 to 4 rounds of that. Take it easy.